What is up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're diving deep into Shiba Inu, or better known as SHIB, as it is one of the most talked about meme coins inside the entire crypto world. We're going to be covering everything you need to know, from what Shiba is all about to its recent updates, and even some key buying and selling areas for the future. So let's start off with what actually is Shiba Inu. Well, Shiba is often referred to as the Dogecoin killer, as it started off as a meme coin exactly like Dogecoin did, but it has now grown into a much bigger concept. Its goal is to create a decentralized ecosystem that includes everything from decentralized finance, known as DeFi, applications to NFTs, and even its own metaverse. Despite being a token on the Ethereum network, Shiba Inu has evolved into a community-driven project with big ambitions. One of the big things that sets Shiba apart is its massive community and the development efforts going on behind the scenes. The Shiba Inu ecosystem now includes projects like Shiba Swap, its decentralized exchange, SHIB staking, and plans for layer 2 solutions called Shibarium, which aims to improve scalability and reduce transaction fees for SHIB users. So who's actually the team behind Shiba Inu? Well, the project was created by an anonymous developer known as Ryoshi, which sounds an awful lot like Satoshi, the creator of Bitcoin. While there isn't a traditional team structure like you'd see in most blockchain projects, Shiba Inu has attracted a core group of developers and a massive community that contributes ideas and supports new development. Since its inception, Shiba Inu has grown through partnerships and community initiatives, showing that a decentralized, community-led project can still achieve significant milestones. The team and community are actively working on upgrades and new features, many of which aim to add real-world utility to the SHIB token. So what are some key updates for SHIB in 2024 and coming up to 2025? Well, one of the biggest updates is the rollout of Shibarium, Shiba Inu's own layer 2 blockchain. Shibarium is designed to improve transaction speeds and reduce costs within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, making it much easier for users to engage in DeFi applications, NFTs, and other ecosystem features. Another key aspect is the SHIB burn mechanism. The Shiba Inu community and developers have continued efforts to reduce the total supply through token burns, which many believe will help increase the scarcity and support price growth over the long term. In fact, various projects within the Shiba Inu ecosystem now incorporate burning mechanisms as a part of their design. Shibarium, combined with these burn initiatives, has positioned Shiba Inu as more than just a meme token, allowing it to function with a broader ecosystem that's catching the attention of developers and investors. Now we come up to the trillion-dollar topic, the tokenomics. So the native token is of course called SHIB, and it has a huge supply of 589.52 trillion tokens, with a circulating supply that fluctuates as the tokens are burned. Now the SHIB token is used across Shiba Inu ecosystems from staking to governance and will be integral in transactions on Shibarium. One area of criticism for Shiba Inu has been its high token supply. However, the introduction of regular token burns and community-led burning efforts aim to reduce the supply over time, which could support price action, which could support future price appreciation. Staking also adds utility for SHIB holders, allowing them to earn rewards whilst helping others secure the ecosystem. Now the market cap and current status of SHIB. So as of today, SHIB is sitting at around 0.000017, with a market cap of approximately $10.02 billion. The token has seen some huge growth in the past and remains one of the most popular assets in the meme coin and DeFi space. With Shibarium on the rise and ongoing development in 2024 and 2025, we could see SHIB head on higher. So that leads us nicely into the technical analysis and exactly where I think we should be buying and selling SHIB. Now, of course, I like to use the Fibonacci tool here, and we can see that at the start of 2024, we saw a huge spike in SHIB, which is roughly 2.5x away from where we are at right now, and obviously it came straight back down. Now the main issue with these meme coins is that they are quite unpredictable. You know, we need a lot of news to get these sort of huge pumps and huge dumps. However, that can also be very profitable. You know, we pumped from 0.01 all the way to 0.045, which is a 4.5x in a few days. So where should we be looking to buy SHIB? Well, again, I think we should really be looking to diversify risk, and if we can get SHIB at these low levels of 13-12 cents, you know, I say 13-12 cents, it obviously has a lot of remaining zeros, but I'm just saying that for the ease of the video, I'm not going to be saying 0.000 for the entire video. So we're going to be looking to buy roughly at this area here. Now the reason we're looking at this area is this is the main support area we had from this huge dump, which shows that buyers are clearly interested in buying at this area. And we don't want to be buying right here, even though we did see some support level right here, simply because it's like a 20% drop down to the support, and I think the funds can be better used than to lose 20% if we do go down, which I do think we will, unless there's a huge market pump and altcoins follow. I think that SHIB and other meme coins will slowly drop, and there's no point in trying to risk more when we can just wait and try to buy at these lower levels. So that's where I'm going to be looking to buy. Now, for selling opportunities, it really depends on how long you want to hold. If you want a short trade to hold over a couple of days, maybe a few weeks, then you could be looking to sell right here at this red box. Now, if we are able to get in at this area, then this would be roughly a 45 to 50% profit, which in a few days to a few weeks isn't that bad. And this is in the short term. A lot of people are going to be looking toward for the long term. However, I do just want to say that most people that end up buying meme coins and just overall any coins in general do have a huge struggle with selling. So if you're one of those people, I definitely recommend selling a small portion at least at this area, simply so that you get in the habit of being able to sell, because a lot of people end up holding and they'll hold through the highs, they'll then have to hold through the lows, and it's just a huge nuisance having to hold your money in a coin that's named after a dog. So yeah, I'd definitely be looking to sell quite soon on as well. If you're looking to hold for the slightly longer term, looking to get bigger gains, then I'd definitely be looking at this area next on. Now, the reason I'm looking at this area and not an area like here, for example, in between 0.236 and 0.382, or just the 0.382, is because none of those areas exactly align with the resistance level. Here, for example, the 0.236 area, clearly an area on the fib, and it's clearly an area of resistance that price action has seen. We've tried to use as a support here, we've used as a resistance here. 0.382 we've used as a support, but then we easily break through below, we easily break through above, and we can just consolidate at this area, really ignoring the actual Fibonacci level. Now, the 0.5 area, however, has been used as a resistance. Obviously, we broke through down and consolidated through it. However, after that, we've used it once, twice, 3 times as a resistance, which shows that sellers are clearly prominent at this area. Now, the profits that we would get would be roughly 115% from the buy box, which is great profits. So this is going to be our second selling area. Now, the third and final selling area, if you watch any of my videos, you will know that I like to do, quite pessimistic first targets, regular second targets, and really optimistic third targets, simply because that allows us to get the best possible exit, be able to sell definitely when we're in good profits. Second price target will usually get hit. If not, then that's fine, because we had our first price target, and the third price target usually is sort of a moonshot gamble. However, because the first and second price target were hit, it means our profits are already secured. So the third and final price target, I'd honestly be looking at the previous all-time high right here at roughly, I think that's 9x away, so like a 500-600% gain from that trade. Obviously, this has a lot less chance of happening than the first 2 price targets, but nevertheless, this is how we would do it. Now, if you do want to be getting trades every single day, then make sure to check out the Discord down below, because we're sending trades in there every single day and they're crushing it. If you need a place to buy, sell, or trade Shiba Inu or any other crypto, then check out the exchanges we're working with down below. Please like and subscribe, it will help out a lot. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.